Hey there, lovebirds, and welcome back to Couple Compass. I'm your host, and today we're diving into some incredible tips on how to keep that long-distance relationship love burning bright. Joining me, as always, is my beautiful wife. How you doing today, baby?
I'm doing fantastic, babe. Excited to share some valuable advice with our viewers today.
Excellent. So let's jump right in with our first tip. Number 1, quality time. All right, folks, let's talk about the importance of quality time in a long-distance relationship. One of the best ways to stay connected with your partner is by scheduling regular video calls for the specific activities like cooking together, doing a puzzle together, or even just having a virtual dance party. You can also plan virtual movie nights where you both watch the same movie simultaneously and chat about it afterwards. And don't forget to share experiences by taking virtual tours of museums, exploring new recipes together, or even going for a virtual walk together using video calls.
Absolutely. Communication is key in any relationship, but it's especially crucial when you're miles away from each other. Set aside dedicated time to have deep conversations about your feelings, fears, and dreams. Create a safe space for sharing by actively listening without judgment and offering support and understanding. And remember to use I statements to express your emotions and needs, such as I feel or I need, to avoid blaming or accusing your partner.
Couldn't agree with you more, babe. And speaking of trust, let's move on to our next tip. Number 3, surprise gestures. Who doesn't love a good surprise, right? Keep the spark alive by sending random texts throughout the day expressing your love, admiration, and appreciation for your partner. You can also record a heartfelt message or send a short video expressing your feelings and send it unexpectedly, And don't forget to surprise your partner with virtual gifts like an ebook or a playlist of songs that remind you of them or a subscription to their favorite streaming service.
Number 4, sharing activities. Finding activities you can do together over the phone is a great way to bond and create shared experiences even when you're apart. Play online multiplayer games like trivia, word games, or multiplayer board games to have fun and bond over friendly competition. Start a virtual book club where you both read the same book and discuss it chapter by chapter during your phone calls. And don't forget to cook the same meal together while on a video call, following the same recipe step by step and enjoying the finished dishes together.
Absolutely, babe. And let's not forget about those virtual dates. And that brings our number 5, virtual dates. Plan a themed virtual night, such as a Parisian cafe where you both dress up, have a French cuisine delivered, and enjoy a romantic evening together over a video call. Take turns planning surprise virtual dates for each other, alternating who gets to choose the activity and setting the mood. And get creative with virtual dating ideas, like stargazing together using stargazing apps, having a karaoke night, or even learning a new skill together online. You can do it with a tutorial.
Let's not forget about our number 6, physical connection. Maintaining physical intimacy can be challenging when you're miles apart, but it's not impossible. Send each other care packages filled with items that have sentimental value or remind you of shared memories. Exchange handwritten love letters or postcards to experience the tactical aspect of physical communication. And share photos or videos of physical objects or places that evoke strong emotions or memories, helping bridge the physical distance between you two.
Now those are some great tips. And let's not forget about the importance of being there for each other during the tough times. And that brings us to number 7, support system. Be each other's rock by making a conscious effort to actively listen to your partner's concerns, offer empathy and encouragement, and validate their feelings. Be available to provide emotional support during challenging times, whether it's a stressful day at work, family issue, personal struggles. Collaborate on problem solving and offer practical support by brainstorming solutions together and dividing the tasks to lighten the load.
That brings us to our number 8, future planning. Discussing your future plans together is not only exciting, but it's essential for keeping your relationship moving forward. Discuss short-term plans like upcoming visits, vacations, or special occasions to have something to look forward to together. Explore long-term goals and aspirations, such as career ambitions, travel dreams, or shared life milestones, and brainstorm ways to work towards them as a team. And create a shared vision board or bucket list of things you want to accomplish together in the future, whether it's exploring new destinations, learning new skills, or starting a family.
Absolutely. And speaking of trust, let's talk about the importance of trust and understanding in a long-distance relationship. And that brings us to number 9, trust and understanding. Trust is the cornerstone of any successful relationship, especially important when you're miles away from each other. Build trust through consistent communication, honesty, and reliability in keeping promises and commitments. Practice empathy and understanding by putting yourself in your partner's shoes and considering their perspective and feelings. And address any trust issues or insecurities openly and constructively, working together to establish boundaries and rebuild trust if necessary.
Now, at number 10, maintain independence. Last but not least, don't forget to nurture your own interests and goals outside of the relationship. Pursue your individual hobbies, interests, and goals, whether it's learning a new hobby, taking up a sport, or advancing in your career. Make time for self-care and personal growth, focusing on activities that bring you joy, fulfillment, and a sense of accomplishment. And encourage your partner to do the same, supporting their individual passions and goals while celebrating their achievements and successes.
Well said, babe. And there you have it, folks. 10 tips for keeping your long-distance relationship strong and thriving. Thanks for tuning in to Couple Compass, where love knows no bounds.
That's right, babe. And until next time, keep the love alive and remember, manifest your destinations.